The quadro enclosure can be separated up to form 4B, by using few horizontal and vertical panels. The sequence for the installation is important. First, install the buzz bar system. Second, the separation parts, and lastly the system kits. No internal separations. The buzz bar is separated from the rest. The devices are also separated from each other. Also, the outgoing terminals are separated. Partial panels for the front or rear side only are available, as well as full-size panels. The carrier for the horizontal separation is installed at the height of the compartment. Be sure to install the horizontal separations first, and the rear vertical last. The upper separation can then be slid in. Now fix the separation in place with a screw. Front lateral separation panels have a cable pass-through. They can be the same height as the system kit for the device, or bigger, to either ease the wiring or reduce the quantity of parts. The cable pass-through needs to be cut in the manner needed, fully closed, or for flexibars. 3 phases plus N/pen. 3 phases. The cable pass-through is fixed with a few screws. Do not fully tighten the screw for easier insertion of the cables, or insert cables first, add the plastic covers later. Rear lateral separation panels also have the ties for pre-hanging of the parts on one side. The other side is fixed with clipped-in lugs that can be freely positioned and secured with a screw. To separate individual system kits, first install these edge pieces. Now the horizontal separation is in place. It snaps into place on the back side. Fix it in place with 2 screws in the front. You can also install a back separation to shield the system kit within the cabinet. To install the back separation, you must install these corners either here or right at the back side of the frame. Place it with the ledges pointing outwards.